I'm super excited to have you here today. Today I want to show you something that you like so much. And then this is 10 hidden window features you know nothing about. Yes, do you hear it very well? 10 hidden window features that you know nothing about. So please follow me as we continue. The first one is clipboard history. That means to copy multiple items at a time. That's why you do press window V on your keyboard right now. So window and then press V. What will you see here? You will see a clipboard here, say copy. You see click history. You see symbols. You can even see more symbols if there are any other symbol you want to use, or and different other things that you need. These emojis and so on and so forth. So this is, if there is anything you have done before right now, you see all the history here and you can copy it at a time. Oh, that is good. The next thing is keyboards. How to get emoji. So on your key, press window plus for some windows, or press window and double semicolon. So you can now press window key, window plus double semicolon, and you will see it here, window key double semicolon, and you see this is it. So these are actually all your emoji. So now let's go again on the third one is how to zoom, to magnify, how to zoom your window or your desktop without much stress. So how do you do that? Press window key and press the button, the plus button at the top. So window plus, you can see that if we are zooming, can see how close it is. So you can see that is, the more you click on it, the more you continue. So how you go back, you press window plus, window minus, it will take you back to your normal right now. I believe you are getting value from this. So click on the subscription button or on the like button if you actually get something from this. The third one is to actually take a record, how to test, how to actually voice typing. Instead, if you don't want to type, or normally you can use your voice to type. So the first thing first, open your text editor. So I'm going to use Notepad. So use Notepad. I'm going to use Notepad. So open text editor on the Notepad. So let me open a new note. So look at this. This is the new note now, and I'm going to enable the editor right now to be able to help us to type. So window H on your keyboard, window H. So window H, and you can see it will, if you have not done the hello great minds, how are you today? My name is Ochemic, and today I want to teach you on window ethical or window or cyber security hacking, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much, and see you next time. Do you see, right? So whatever you say, it will type it for you on this. So yeah, clap for yourself if you have reached this stage with me. So the next one we want to look at, this is the third one, right? So the next one we want to look at is task manager, how to access your task manager. So on your keyboard, press Control Shift Escape. Control Shift Escape. So Control Shift Escape, it will take you to your task manager to tell you what is running on your system currently. So that is how to do that on task manager. And so the next one is how to enable hidden screen recorder. You don't know that hidden screen recorder. You can enable hidden screen recorder on your disk. So you press window and G, window G. So you can see it. It says adjust your this. So I can adjust everything you want, or you just enable right now. So this is your screen recorder. You can take a screenshot. You can even talk on. You can use mic. You can actually start recording right now. You can say start recording, and it will start. Hello, yeah. So you can start recording currently. So you can even enable mic another this thing say mic on while what recording. So you can see it has started recording here. So you don't actually need even an external recorder to record your video or record anything on your screen. And as you do so, you can see it here is running here. It says capture, so you can stop it. You can look at it. You can want to stop. You can click what stop recording, and that is that. And so let me stop recording. So when you stop recording, it will automatically save for you. So you don't even need an external video recorder to record your thing on your screen. The next one I want to show you is super excited. Yeah, before I continue on this, please click on the like button below or in the comment section below, and that is how to share something files document with another window nearby without actually using a cable or any other means. So how do we do that? So let me stop this. So how do we do that? You go to what? Setting, search for setting, go to system and go to nearby sharing. So you see nearby sharing here, you see share file, photos and link with a nearby window device. So you can now click what? If you want to share with only your desktop or anyone at all that is nearby, you can actually do so. So when you set the setting, you can actually share your data with anyone that is nearby. For now, I'm going to put it off. So that is how to go about this. The next one is how to check file history. How to check your file history. File history. So you come here and search for file history. Search for file history and you see it here. Wow. So look at all your file history. You say copy file from library and so on and so on. So it's turned off right now. So you can see the control panel. You can see restore personal file. You can see select drive. If you want to select a drive here, you can restore everything to, or if you want to actually restore personal file, you can see it here. So you want to restore personal file, you can actually see it here. If you actually want to exclude the folder or a file, whatever you want to do, you can do so. So this is how so you can select a network location if you want to do anything on network. So this is about what? File history. And so I believe you enjoy this. So we are through with what? File log. We are through with clip. So you also have to take a screenshot. Then that's one. You have to take a screenshot on with your window without much any external tools. And so you take press on window shift. So window shift and what? And X on your keyboard. Window shift X. You can see you can now select the part that you want to screenshot. Just the part you want to screenshot here. So let me say I want to screenshot this right now. You can see it has been screenshotted. So you don't actually need an external tools for you to have a screenshot of anything that you want to screenshot. And the next one we want to look at, or the final one, am I giving them too much? Is what? Having to enable your hidden start menu. Some of you don't know that there's a hidden start menu. So let's go. So press window and X like this, as in cross X. So window word and hold your window and press X. You can see, look at the window word, hidden start menu, where you can do many things, your center, your app, your window terminal, and so on and so forth. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.